Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Epsom salt and its magical effects on your green friends? Trust me, what happens next will absolutely amaze you. So let's dive into the wonderful world of Epsom salt and plants. First off, what exactly is Epsom salt? Well, despite its name, it's not actually salt. It's a mineral compound made up of magnesium and sulfate. And guess what? Both of these elements are incredibly beneficial for plant growth and health. Let's find out how. 1. Boosts nutrient absorption. Ever wondered why your plants sometimes look a little lackluster despite your best efforts? Well, they might be because they're not getting enough magnesium. Epsom salt is a fantastic source of magnesium, which plays a crucial role in photosynthesis and nutrient absorption. By adding Epsom salt to your watering routine, you can help ensure that your plants are getting the magnesium they need to thrive. 2. Improves soil quality. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, and Epsom salt can help improve soil quality in more ways than one. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps to loosen compacted soil, allowing for better aeration and drainage. This, in turn, creates a healthier environment for plant roots to grow and absorb nutrients. So if you're dealing with heavy, clay-like soil, Epsom salt might just be the solution you've been looking for. 3. Promotes green, lush foliage. Want your plants to look vibrant and lush? Epsom salt can help with that too. Magnesium is a key component of chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis. By providing your plants with an extra dose of magnesium, you can help them produce more chlorophyll, resulting in healthier, greener foliage. Say hello to a garden that's bursting with life and color. 4. Enhances flowering and fruit production. Whether you're growing flowers, fruits, or veggies, Epsom salt can work wonders for promoting flowering and fruit production. Magnesium is essential for the formation of plant hormones that regulate flowering and fruiting processes. By supplementing your plants with Epsom salt, you can help ensure that they have the magnesium they need to set flowers and develop fruit. Get ready for an abundance of blooms and bumper crops. 5. Reduces transplant shock. Transplanting can be a stressful experience for plants, often resulting in transplant shock as they adjust to their new surroundings. Fortunately, Epsom salt can help ease this transition. The magnesium in Epsom salt can help plants recover from transplant shock more quickly by promoting root growth and nutrient uptake. Simply soak the roots of your transplants in a solution of Epsom salt and water before planting, and watch them thrive in their new home. 6. Deters pests. Last but not least, Epsom salt can also help deter pests from wreaking havoc on your plants. The sulfur in Epsom salt has natural insect repellent properties, making it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. Simply sprinkle a bit of Epsom salt around the base of your plants to help keep pests at bay without harming beneficial insects or the environment. So there you have it, the wonders of Epsom salt on plants. From boosting nutrient absorption to promoting lush foliage and bumper crops, Epsom salt has so much to offer your garden. Give it a try and prepare to be amazed by the results. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!